JLPT in 5 Grammar Explanation Lesson 22 Ichibang Noun Modification. You'll learn how to modify nouns in Lesson 2 and Lesson 8. Examples: Mirasan no Uchi, Mr. Miller's house. Atarashi Uchi, a new house. Kirei na Uchi, a beautiful house. In Japanese, whatever modifies a word, whether it's a word or a sentence, it always comes before the word to be modified. Here you learn another way to modify nouns. Nibang, noun modification by sentences. The predicate of the sentence which modifies a noun is in the plain form. In the case of na-adjective sentences, da becomes na. In the case of noun sentences, da becomes no. Examples: Ikuhito, a person who goes. Ikanahito, a person who does not go. Itahito, a person who went. Ikanakatahito, a person who did not go. For more complex sentences, Kyoto ikuhito, a person who goes to Kyoto. Siga takakoti, kami ga kuroi hito, a person who is tall and has black hair. Shinsetsu de kirei na hito, a person who is kind and pretty. Rokuju gosai no hito, a person who is 65 years old. Nouns, which are various elements of the sentence, are picked out of it and can be modified by it. Examples: Watashi wa senshou eiga o mimashita. I saw a movie last week. Watashi ga senshou mitai ga. The movie that I saw last week. Wan-san wa byuin de hatarat itemasu. Mr. Wang works at a hospital. Wan-san ga hataraite ro byuin. The hospital where Mr. Wang works. Watashi wa ashita tomodachi ni aimasu. I will meet a friend tomorrow. Watashi ga ashita ao tomodachi. The friend whom I will meet tomorrow. When the nouns underlined in the examples above are modified, the particles o, de, and ni attached to them respectively are unnecessary. The noun modified by a sentence. The house where Mr. Miller lived in the example sentences below can be used in various parts of a sentence. Examples: Kore wa Merasan ga sonde ita uchi desu. This is the house where Mr. Miller lived. Merasan ga sonde ita uchi wa furoi desu. The house where Mr. Miller lived is old. Merasan ga sonde ita uchi o kaimashita. I bought the house where Mr. Miller lived. Watashi wa Merasan ga sonde ita uchi ga suki desu. I like the house where Mr. Miller lived. Merasan ga sonde ita uchi ni neko ga imashita. There was a cat in the house where Mr. Miller lived. Merasan ga sonde ita uchi ita koto ga arimasu. I have been to the house where Mr. Miller lived. Sangbang, noun ga, subject indicator. When a sentence modifies a noun, the subject in the sentence is indicated by ga. Example: Mera-san wa keiki o tsukurimashita. Mr. Miller baked a cake. Kore wa Mera-san ga tsukota keiki desu. This is the cake which Mr. Miller baked. Other examples: Watashi wa Karina-san ga kaita e ga suki desu. I like the picture that Miss Karina drew. Kare ga umareta tokoro o shite imasu ka? Do you know the place where he was born? Yobang. Verb dictionary form. Jikang yakusuku yuji expressing time, arrangement, and task. When expressing the time for doing some activity, put the dictionary form of the action before jikang. Example, Watashi wa asa gohan o tabero jikan ga arimasen. I have no time to eat breakfast. You can also say the content of the arrangement, appointment, etc. by putting the dictionary form of that action before yakusuku, etc. Examples, Watashi wa tomodachi to eiga o emero yakusuku ga arimasu. I have an arrangement to see a movie with a friend of mine. Kyou wa shiyakushu e ikuyuji ga arimasu. I have something to do at the city hall today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Matane!